guys, tonight on Cooking with Joseph, we're going to make fried chicken. So,
that looks like chicken bake.
Yeah, chicken bake. And we have chicken. So, what we need to do is, it feels weird, but it's supposed to.
It looks cold and slimy.
Yes. So, what you need to do, shake it.
Okay. I think that looks fairly easy.
I know the kitchen looks so dirty.
We got a little bit of crust around different places, don't we? Get you another one there, I guess.
Yeah, I know this one looks small, but okay.
Looks like you sprayed something on your pan there. Is that oil you sprayed on there? Did you put cooking spray on your pan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Keep it from sticking. That's a good idea. What are you gonna make next? Macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll finish all this up here, and we're gonna need macaroni and cheese, I guess.
Delicious. Once again, this was sponsored by the same YouTuber. Okay, guys. I need my dad's help for this, and it's too hot.
Ooh, that looks good.
So as you can see, I did this. And guys, guess what I got?
Ooh.
Shells and cheese. So we need... Oh wait, the ingredients are in this box.
Yep. We'll get that started.
Okay, guys. The stove is hot. And the water's boiling. And if the stove is on 35
350 degrees. 350 degrees.
hot.
Yeah, 350 degrees. For how long? 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's wait. Okay, guys. I flipped all this with my dad's help, and the water's boiling. And I'm adding green beans to my menu today.
Ooh, very hot.
Careful, kids.
Very hot. Very hot.
Don't burn your camera.
Nope.
I see you in the next. Okay, hey guys, we're back. And see, we put in green beans in the pot and the water's still boiling. So all we need to do put the butter and salt in here.
Yeah, this here.
Put the butter in. Now we need to put the salt. Careful with salt because you don't want to.
Yeah, too much salt don't taste good. Too much salt doesn't taste good, does it? It's not really healthy for you either.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we now waited for this bowl. And now we need to put the shells and cheese inside.
Very, very dangerous, isn't it? I guess people need to be careful with that boiling water, don't they?
Yeah.
What, you give it 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, for the great shot for that.
Okay.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was weird. Okay guys, the chicken is done and the shells is drained. So I'm gonna dump the cheese in there. And by the way, this smells like spaghetti, but same thing. Let me try it.
Start it.
Yeah, just so it can taste like real cheese. This creamy goodness. I got my chicken and my shells and cheese, and I got my green beans. Ow, ow. It's hot. And I see you at the table. That cheese was good. Okay guys, I got my green beans, macaroni and cheese, and my chicken. So okay, let's eat. Let me get all that. That's good. You guys don't have to eat with your fork. Well, you can, but okay. It's the way I do eat it. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.